One day there was 3 wolves. They had to leave their pack to go find their own houses because they were too old to live there. But they got in an argument and they left. Then this person came along. He wanted to make a new city. So there he went. The first wolf found his house easily. The second wolf found his house and a marriage. The third wolf found a really strong house. And it had Coca-Cola. The second wolf was jealous, so he went inside. "I have the Coca-Cola," he said. The third wolf fainted because he found how the first house broke. He chased and chased, ran and ran. He went inside the second house, but a big bad human followed. The third house stood up. It wouldn't work, so he drank some Coca-Cola for power, but it hit him on the head. He went inside the house, but it was too late. He got eaten. The end.